intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, Amazons? So I'm just gonna do a real quick try on haul from Fashion Nova, and then I have a pair of shoes from Amazon. It's just a few things, but I figured I just might as well come on here and show you guys. So the first thing I got is they didn't give me a packing slip, which I'm really upset about. But this is the Taylor Fuzzy Off the Shoulder sweater in size large. Oh, I was going to pull up my information, but it's on my phone and I'm filming with my phone. So it does have that really soft, fuzzy material. And I'm just going to try this on. With this Fashion Nova skirt. So I will be back. Oh, I am in love with this sweater. It is so soft. It's actually surprisingly warm too. And because I live in Florida, I guess I get away with being able to wear sweaters that are off the shoulder because in all honesty, it's never really cold enough to wear, maybe like 1 or 2 days where I have to actually wear winter clothes. Like when it gets to the 40s or 50s, I'm like, oh my god, break out my winter gear. But anyways, this is perfect, and it's just so soft. I can't keep like feeling it, and it would also look cute with like maybe a belt around it as well. Okay, but can we talk about these booties that I got from Amazon? Pink glitter booties. And so they're pointed toe, but it is a kitten heel. If you're new to my channel, I have chronic back pain, so I cannot wear like 4 or 5 inch heels. I have to get kitten heels. And it's very hard to find shoes that are like trendy that have a low heel, but these came in, you can get them in pink, gold, or silver. So of course I got pink, but how adorable are they? Okay, so next, let me just start with this. Okay, so I just got this plain long sleeve black shirt because I have to wear long sleeve shirts underneath my scrubs because I do have tattoos on my arms, and I used to always get them from Forever 21, but they're just starting to get faded now and really small, so I figured I'd try one from Fashion Nova and see how I liked it. So, but I am going to try it on with the next item. So I love like ponchos and like large kind of like chunky cardigans, so that is exactly what this is. This is, are you kidding me? It has no tag on it. What the hell? And I have no, I'll put the name of it up on the screen, but let me go try these on. Okay, so here it is. Oh my gosh, I am in love with like how big these sleeves are. It's super warm, super comfortable, and I love just being able to put like a black shirt on, this, jeans, and then maybe like some thigh-high boots, because it makes you look a lot more dressed up than you actually are. And so this does have pockets. There is no like button or any sort of closure. It's just open. But I love these sleeves. And I also really like just the regular black tee. The ones that I got from Forever 21, they were always like short in the torso area and in the arm area. I don't have a problem in either of those areas with this. It fits perfectly. And the last item, well, technically not the last item, I also ordered slippers, but they weren't in the bag. So I got this dress. This is the Portrait of Our Love dress in a size large. So let me go try her on. I was kind of concerned when I ordered this that it would be too like form-fitting and kind of cling to every slight roll or bump, but it's actually not that bad. I mean, it is like bodycon, but the material like isn't that type of material that accentuates all the spots that we don't want accentuated. It's actually very flattering, super comfortable. Got a really low plunge neckline. It's a little shorter than their dresses usually are on me, but I don't think this is one that's meant to be like really, really long. Oh, I love this so much. Let me know what you guys think. What was your favorite piece that I tried on? And you know there'll be more Fashion Nova hauls coming. Alright guys, I love you. I will see you next time.